Hello, my name is Andrzej Szergowicz and I'm going to talk about SIMA. We develop a platform for farmers, agricultural engineers, independent advisors and production companies that consist of record keeping and analysis for technical agricultural data. For example, crop control in terms of weeds, insects and disease, application of chemical products, harvest and sowing control, and other labors that take place in the field. All of these activities were traditionally registered in notepads, Excel sheets, or not registered at all. The problem with this approach are inefficiency in data entry, different criteria between team members, which makes it harder to compare, time is lost in transcription from paper to a digital medium, and generating reports from multiple sources. Storage and communication is also difficult. Strategic decisions are delayed and based on poor quality data. To solve all of this, we develop a mobile app that works without internet connection and helps the user capture the data. We make use of all device features such as georeferencing data, taking photos and voice notes. We also provide monitoring protocols and preloaded photos to better identify adversities and show monitoring procedures to the user. On the other side, we provide the web platforms that allows the different stakeholders to access and analyze in detail the recollected data. Administrator can manage the team assigning roles and specifying which users will be in charge of each field. They access all the information in real time through reports, charts, and KPIs. Farmers can log on and control what is being done in his fields and how is the campaign progressing. The mobile app is designed to ease the data entry process. It's fast and easy to use. We work hard to provide frequent updates and improve user experience based on user feedback. After a long day work, you can sit back and relax. All the data that you and your team recollected are safely stored in one place and accessible at any time. Share this information with farmers or other team members. SIMA was designed to adapt to a variety of users. It can be used by agricultural engineers, independent advisors, and even farmers with some technical knowledge. It also serves to monitoring companies. SIMA is the ideal tool for them. Finally, production companies with big land extensions and many team members find SIMA very useful to coordinate the work and keep up with their task. We believe SIMA is highly scalable and can be used all over the world, but decided to focus on what we know best first, which is the Latin American market. Being a bit pessimistic, we estimate we can reach 20 million hectares in Latin America. Argentina and Brazil are the two most attractive markets. This chart shows activities tracked with SIMA in Argentina from 2014 to 2017. We can see seasonal growth by the end of each year from January to March. We can also see an average growth of 80% year by year. We have a SaaS model with an annual fee depending on the amount of fields each user or business have. Prices range from $10 to $12 per field, and we have a free version up to 10 fields. We rely heavily on our team. Having team members with experience in crop control and that comes from agricultural backgrounds help us design a solution that we know adds value to our users. Also, as founding members, we count with 2 programmers fully committed to this project and experience both in mobile and web development along with BI intelligence. We plan on consolidating the Argentinian and Colombian market in 2017. For the next year, our aim is to enter the Brazilian and some other Latin American markets. For 2019, we plan to enter the big data market, supplying info and insights to companies in needs of real-time agricultural data. As mentioned before, we have a multidisciplinary team with 2 agricultural engineers, which come from monitoring companies, and 2 system engineers with large experience in web and mobile development. I wanted to end this presentation with our vision. As young stakeholders of the agriculture that is to come, we strongly believe in the need of changing the way things are being done. The days where decisions were made simply by intuition are over. Informed decisions need to be taken in order to reduce cost, increase yields, and make a more sustainable production. As any process that needs to be adjusted, the first step is to keep record of things. Only then you can analyze and adjust for better results. Thank you very much for your time. You can contact us at any time with the information on this slide.